What are declinations in astrology? If you're curious about the intricacies of astrology and how planets move in the celestial sphere, you might have stumbled upon the term declinations. So, what exactly are declinations in astrology? To start, let's think of the Earth's equator and how it divides our planet into the northern and southern hemispheres. In astrology, the celestial equator serves a similar purpose, dividing the celestial sphere into northern and southern regions. Declination is essentially a measure of how far a planet is from this celestial equator. It's like the latitude on Earth, but for the stars and planets. This measurement tells us how many degrees north or south of the celestial equator a planet is located. For example, if a planet has a declination of plus 30 degrees, it means it is 30 degrees north of the celestial equator. Conversely, a declination of minus 30 degrees indicates the planet is 30 degrees south of the celestial equator. The north celestial pole has a declination of plus 90 degrees, and the south celestial pole has a declination of minus 90 degrees. In practical terms, declinations help astrologers understand the positions of planets in a more detailed way. For instance, when two planets have the same declination but are on opposite sides of the celestial equator, they are said to be in a contra-parallel aspect. This means they are equidistant from the celestial equator, but on opposite sides, like one planet being 23 degrees north and another being 23 degrees south. When two planets have the same declination and are on the same side of the celestial equator, they are in a parallel aspect. This can happen even if the planets are in different zodiac signs. For example, Mars in Aries and Jupiter in Libra could be parallel if they both have the same declination. Declinations also play a role in understanding the unique positions of planets like Pluto, which has an irregular orbit that can make its declination aspects unexpected compared to its zodiac position. In summary, declinations in astrology are about measuring the latitude of planets relative to the celestial equator, helping us understand their precise positions and how they interact with each other in complex and meaningful ways. This adds another layer of depth to astrological charts and interpretations, making them more accurate and insightful.